As a business owner, wouldn't you like your AI server to be able to create detailed or special responses based on your own brand and what you prefer? So let's see how we can change that in 3 minutes or less. During these videos you will see me using components in this backend interface. I can drag them around and do some configurations. But as an end user you would see something like this. This is just the website interface. You can use it from any device you want. Let's try what is 2 plus 2 and I get a response here. I can set up a custom title, a custom welcome message, a custom placeholder, custom colors and so on. For example, I can say this is my new custom title, save it here. And when I refresh the page, here is my new custom title. And whenever we ask a question here, we will get an answer back. In this case, I said, what is a fish? And the response was aquatic animal, which is very short. And the reason is that I told the model to respond with the shortest possible answer. Let's try most detailed, save it. Now I can copy my former question and paste it here. And this time the answer is very long because I can tell the model exactly how to behave, what kind of answer I expect, and I can also change the language and the kind of output. So let's repeat the question, and this time I get Spanish answers in bullet lists. That was exactly what I requested, and you have seen how we can change the complete behavior within seconds. We can also use something like this, where we say the answer should be in the language of the question. So let's ask, was ist ein Fisch in German? And now I get the answer in German. So please remember, this is what the user will see. And this is the backend where we define what is going to happen. Since 2014, I have taught thousands of people how to create automated trading systems, and now we do 20 business automation servers at a time. We will pay for the first month, we will do the setup and the programming, and if you want one, just click on the link below.